Rising from Egypt's sands, the pyramids captivate with their mystery and grandeur. Today, on My Percept*, we delve into the secrets of these ancient wonders, exploring their history and enigmatic allure. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu over 4,500 years ago, is the largest, originally towering at 146.6 meters. It's one of over 100 pyramids in Egypt, primarily serving as monumental tombs for pharaohs. Constructed with over 2 million limestone blocks, some weighing 80 tons, the Great Pyramid's construction remains a puzzle. Ramps might have been used, yet the exact method is debated. Its alignment with cardinal points is nearly perfect. Inside, complex networks of chambers and passageways were designed to protect the pharaoh's body and treasures. These structures were not just tombs but gateways to eternity, reflecting the Egyptians' belief in an afterlife. Pyramids aren't exclusive to Egypt. Civilizations like the Maya and Nubians also built them, each with unique styles and purposes, showcasing a global architectural phenomenon. Today, technologies like infrared scanning reveal new chambers and details within the pyramids. What other secrets might be hidden, waiting to be uncovered?